Guys, another freebie for Ryan Gill. 7:58 p.m. We will type live. We are live. 7:58. 7:58. We will grab the list right here. Alright, we got Jason Will on the bottom, Robert Allen on top. We're just going to double check, make sure I got it all. Robert Allen on the bottom and Jason Will on the bottom. Robert Allen on top. Alright, good. We got everybody. We got 39 people. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have an 11. We're going 11 times. Good luck. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 times. Dice shows an 11. Next click. Top spot wins. Good luck. And 11. Congrats to Dennis. Dennis, there was no spots on this, so Dennis, you are the winner. Get in touch with Ryan Gill and collect your bobblehead. We are done. 7:59 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 7:59. 7:59. Here is the verification and the timestamp.